Friday night time here for our Making a Difference report, which tonight is about a woman who has fallen hard for a beautiful part of this country. She's teaching others to love it along the way as well. It's technically work, but you wouldn't know it. Tonight, Chip Reed transports us to Great Smoky Mountain National Park.
Deep in Great Smoky Mountain National Park, 5 teenagers and 2 crew leaders are building a hiking trail.
Get the bar in right underneath this tip.
Inch by grueling inch.
Nice.
The hours are long, the work backbreaking. They'll spend a month here, caked in mud. So far from civilization, supplies and mail are brought in by horse and mule.
Dominique.
Harsh conditions, but not a word of complaining.
Happiness is magnified out here because we're all just delirious.
Out here, the food tastes better, the water tastes better, sleeping feels better.
While helping others, they're also learning about themselves.
I have so much stuff at home. It's just, you really don't need that much to be happy.
Some even finding direction.
I definitely want to be some sort of ranger in the National Park Service.
The SCA is the largest volunteer conservation organization in the country. This summer, there are nearly 150 student crews doing work like this in parks and forests all across the nation.
This week, the Student Conservation Association celebrated its 50th anniversary and 50,000th volunteer. And it never would have happened without Liz Titus Putnam, who in 1954, in her thesis at Vassar College, proposed the idea of getting student volunteers to help save the national parks.
It's the Earth, the planet itself, that needs our help.
Today, the SCA, which Putnam calls her baby, puts in over 1 million hours of labor a year, with many volunteers going on to careers in conservation.
When you work in this kind of an environment, when you're a part of it, when you feel it, it does get into your soul. And that's what I see in these kids.
Kids who may be dirty, tired, and sore.
It makes you realize there's still stuff worth saving in the world.
But who know they're making a difference. Chip Reed, NBC News, Great Smoky Mountain National Park.